Hi health enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. These falafels are cheap and easy to make. Stuff our simple falafels into warm pittas with salad, or serve with couscous and hummus. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 garlic clove, crushed, 400 grams canned chickpea, washed and drained, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander, handful parsley, chopped, or 1 teaspoon dried mixed herbs, 1 egg, beaten, salt and pepper to taste. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large pan, then fry the onion and garlic over a low heat for 5 minutes until softened. Tip into a large mixing bowl with the chickpeas and spices, then mash together with a fork or potato masher until the chickpeas are totally broken down. Stir in the parsley or dried herbs, with seasoning to taste, then add the egg and mix together well. Mold the mix into balls, then flatten into patties. Heat the remaining oil in the pan, then fry the falafels on a medium heat for 3 minutes on each side, until golden brown and firm. Serve hot or cold with couscous, pita bread or salad. Thanks for watching.